Hello there, Wemwega. Welcome to Darasa, where learning is made easy. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro. You can call me the village girl anytime. And this is a continuation of verb tenses for the first person. Remember, in the previous 3 sessions or segments, we said that a sentence can tell you if something happened when, a few moments ago, earlier today, yesterday, and a long time ago. So this is the 4th segment where we will be learning verb tenses about things that happened a long time ago. Not just a long time ago, at the day before yesterday to maybe 50 years ago. So you see, it's a long time ago. And if you recall in the lesson about time, we said that the day before yesterday is known as iyo. And last week, kiumia kihetoku or kiumia githiru. In this one, the rules are you add ra at the end of the first verb and you start with n, d, a or n, d, o or n, d, e. Da, do, di. Okay, so let's look at our examples. The first one was I woke up, right? So I woke up in the morning. So in Gikuyu, we'll say Dokerire rosine. Dokerire rosine. So let's use our example using what? The day before yesterday, which is iyo. So we say iyo dokerire rosine. Please say after me. Iyo dokerire rosine. Iyo dokerire rosine. And again, you don't have to say that day. You can always start with dokerire rosine. Dokerire rosine. Okay, the next sentence was I took a shower or I bathed with hot water. And we will say Dedhabire na mai mahiũ. Dedhabire na mai mahiũ. Help me say this one again. Dedhabire na mai mahiũ. Dedhabire na mai mahiũ. The next sentence was I had tea, right? So, or I took tea. So we'll say Danyuire sai. Danyuire sai. Let's say that again. Danyuire sai. See, because it's one sentence, you can always start with that day. Iyo. But you don't have to. So you say ndanyuire sai. And then ndacokire ngĩthiĩ wĩra. Ndacokire ngĩthiĩ wĩra. Ndacokire ngĩthiĩ wĩra. Remember, ndacokire means then. If you don't have to say then, you can say ndathire wĩra. Ndathire wĩra. Say that again. Ndathire wĩra. So, if we want to use that in a paragraph or as a paragraph, the verb that precedes the first verb, the other verb that precedes the first verb, if you don't understand that, you'll get it in a few. You start with NGA. 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 Okay? So, we start again. Ndokĩrire rũcinĩ. I woke up in the morning on that day. And ngĩthamba. So this time we are saying ngĩthamba instead of ndethambire. So again we say ngĩthamba na maĩ mahiũ. Again, the next sentence you start with NGA. Ngĩnyua cai. Ngĩcoka ngĩthiĩ wĩra. Did you understand that? The first sentence we use da, de, di, do, do, de, do. But the next sentence, if it's starting with a verb, we add what? N-G-A. Because I am talking about me. Ge. So, we try that again. Ndokĩrire rũcinĩ. Ngĩthamba na maĩ mahiũ. Ngĩnyua cai. Ngĩcoka ngĩthiĩ wĩra. Perfect. That means on that day, say maybe the day before yesterday, I woke up in the morning. I took a shower with hot water. I took tea or had tea. And then I went to work. The next example was about me going to the shop, meeting Kimani, and reaching his message to my parent. So, let's say that in Gikuyu. On that day, let's say iyo, which is the day before yesterday. Iyo, ndathire nduka. Iyo, ndathire nduka. The next sentence was, I met with Kimani. So, we'll say, ndacemanirie na Kimani. Ndacemanirie na Kimani. So, we can say, iyo Ndacemanirie na Kimani. And then the last sentence was, he told me to tell you to call him, right? So if we are starting with that day, we'll say iyo. Now Kimani, iyo Kimani ajerire. Ajerire. Kimani. Now that is the second person. Ajerire. So that's why we are starting with a instead of da. Ajerire. Gwire. Umuhurire thimu. Ajerire. Gwire. Umuhurire thimu. So ajerire. You know, that might be confusing because if it's today, I can say ajerire, ajerire. But on that day, Kimani told me, iyo Kimani ajerire, ajerire. Okay? So, if we want to say it as a paragraph, the second sentence will start with nga, ge. And the third sentence, because Kimani is a second person, will start with a. I will teach you that in the next session. So we'll say Davire duka. I went to the shop. Gesemania na Kimani. Gesemania, Gesemania. Gesemania na Kimani. Akejera. Akejera gwire. Umuhurire thimu. Akejera gwire. Umuhurire thimu. Got it? Akejera. So Davire duka on that day. Gesemania na Kimani. Akejera gwire umuhurire thimu. I went to the shop. I met with Kimani. He told me to tell you to call him. Now, see you on the next lesson as I teach you the second person tenses, past tenses for the second person, which is you. You. We. See ya.